Step 1. Removal of dry soil. We will be using a general purpose cleaner to wipe down the hard surfaces of the chair to pick up as much dry soil as possible. First, spray your general purpose cleaner on either a disposable towel or microfiber towel, then thoroughly wipe down all hard surfaces of the chair. Step 2. Vacuum upholstery or fabric. We are trying to remove as much dry soil as possible from the chair. Now we are looking at our Carpet Details Upholstery Cleaning Agent and our upholstery brush. It's never a bad idea to work in your cleaning agent into the upholstery. Please keep in mind the more soiled the upholstery is, the more agitation or brushing could be required. Step 3. Apply upholstery cleaner. We will now apply the Carpet Details Upholstery Cleaner. Please keep in mind the upholstery should be damp, not wet, and evenly sprayed across the fabric. Step 4. Agitate upholstery. Gently work in the upholstery cleaner into the fabric with an upholstery brush. Step 5. Hot water extraction. The most important thing to remember when you're hot water extracting is to not overwet your upholstery. Some tips that could help prevent you from overwetting the fabric or upholstery is first, try to stay as steady as possible with your wet strokes. Second, always come back with a dry stroke per wet stroke. So one wet stroke and then one dry stroke.